Jersey Shore towns don't get too many visitors this time of year.
Yeah, I've never seen this before either.
But this is one visitor who won't be forgotten anytime soon.
You can show me out Middlesex Ave and the Boulevard, gonna have a baby seal.
Police in Harvey Cedars responded to a call from a Good Samaritan Tuesday morning who saw a seal pup laying in the middle of the road, somehow uninjured.
Every day when you come to work, you don't know what to expect.
Police say while it's not uncommon for seals to be on the beach during the winter, they say this seal somehow climbed up to the top of the beach, over the dunes, onto a side street, and onto Long Beach Boulevard.
I got Marine Mammal Service. They're going to be coming out.
As police secured the scene and called the Marine Mammal Stranding Center to respond, a town employee volunteered to protect the pup.
Typically, you don't want to touch a seal. You want to give them their space. But given the fact that it was in harm's way, one of our public works employees took their jacket off, wrapped the seal in its jacket, and then brought it over to where I'm standing now.
From there, Jay Pagel with the Stranding Center was able to gently scoop the seal and take it to their rehab center in Brigantine.
Now she's here. She's going to spend a little bit of time with us.
Pagel says the female seal is about 6 to 8 weeks old and is a little thin for her age, weighing right around birth weight.
We'll try and fatten her up, and if there's any other issues that we discover along the way, we'll take care of them as well.
Although they say she is emaciated, the pup is showing some positive signs.
She is active. She's vocal. She's giving our staff a hard time when we try and clean or restrain her for anything. So these are all good signs, but she's still not quite out of the woods yet.
The center handles all stranded marine mammals and turtles in the state, treating and releasing them back into the wild. Officials credit everyone involved from preventing what could have been a tragedy.
In my career, I have not seen that before. I understand it has happened before, but it's just another reminder for drivers to always be aware and always be alert.
In Harvey Cedars, Jim Vassell, Pix 11 News.